Hi everyone, we are RA-Tech. The RA-Tech today would like to tell you we are going to release the steel slide for the Marui HK.45 series. The steel slide and the steel outer barrel comes with the trademark and logos. And on the other side, we also built a separate ejector, and we rotate to the top side. You can see two fake pins right here. All we do so many things is just trying to make your GBB pistol looks more realistic. If you put all the internals from Marui, put on the steel slide, it will look like this one. And the internals are from the Marui. And we also offer you a special edition. Comes with another logo. You can put your slide back to the Marui HK.45. And now you will have a reliable weapon from Tokyo Marui, but custom with RA-Tech. Now we're going to test this custom HK.45. It comes with the Marui 45 and the steel slide from RA-Tech. We use .2 pp and green gas, carry more than 20 rounds pp bullet. Okay, the magazine is empty and locked to the rear. Okay, if you are looking for a GBB HK.45 and you're also considering about a great balance between the kick and the steel slide, maybe this RA-Tech steel slide comes with the Marui HK.45 will be your best choice.